That's a good question. Basically, a couple of things can happen anytime you're creating new stuff. So you can have issues when creating subscriber functions or new publishers in a live environment where multiple people are using the system and then introducing those features into the production environment. So here is my recommendation anytime you create new publishers and new subscribers. Obviously, you want to start out by making those in a test environment. You want to test them, and then you want to move them over. Once you move them over, you want to follow the following steps. Let's say that this is the modification that I brought over, okay? So once I import this object, I'm going to come and I'm going to filter for just this stuff, the stuff that I changed, and I'm going to immediately compile with validation, okay? So everything's synced up, all the objects, they're shaking hands, they're saying, hey, how are you doing? We all recognize each other now, okay? So this is going to go through, and the next thing you want to do is you want to go and build your server application objects. And then finally, you want to go and restart all of the services that are associated with the database because they tend to cache this sort of stuff. So I'm using the nav service tier administrator here to run my stuff. What I would do is I would come here and I would restart the service. Doing that is basically your way of just resetting everything, introducing the new stuff, and then having everybody just recognize each other and say that they're in place. We have run into situations where we didn't do this and features were not working. They were working halfway. We were getting errors all over the place. And then we finally just determined that this is the road that you have to take when introducing these kinds of changes into production.